Today I made this video to show you how to clean your car's AC filter step by step. First, open the storage compartment on the passenger side opposite the driver. Remove the hydraulic piston. The piston helps the storage box drop down smoothly, so detach it carefully. You will see two clips. Gently remove these two clips. Now gently adjust the clip that is holding the AC filter. Once the clip is released, slowly remove the AC filter. As you can see, the filter is dusty. To clean it, you can use soap brush or an air blower. In this video, I am using both methods so you can clearly understand how to do it properly. I always try to teach the correct and safe method. DIY work is very easy when you follow the proper guidance. After cleaning, insert the AC filter back into position correctly. Then reattach the clip, fix the piston and close the storage compartment. That's it. As you can see the video, you can do this yourself very easily. No special equipment is needed, only your hands are enough. I always try to show you what DIY work we can do at home. Many times, we pay lots of money to technicians even for simple jobs. With basic DIY knowledge, you can save your money and do these tasks yourself. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for your support.